Marine Light Attack Helicopter Squadron 367 received 3 upgraded AH-1Z Viper attack helicopters at Marine Corps Base Hawaii, December 19, 2017. The AH-1Z aircraft is an updated version of the AH-1W, bringing new capabilities and features into the squadron's arsenal. The AH-1Zs are replacing the AH-1Ws, which are essentially from the 1980s, said Marine Corps Captain Julian Tucker, the squadron's ground training officer. Some big takeaways on the new aircraft can be summarized into greater fuel capacity, ordnance capabilities, and situational awareness. Viper AH-1Z attach helicopter Marines more firepower. The AH-1Z can carry and deploy 16 Hellfire missiles, effectively doubling the capacity of its predecessor, the AH-1W. Updated avionics systems and sensors are another important aspect of the upgrade. The upgraded capabilities allow the squadron and Marine Corps Base Hawaii to further project power and reach in the Asia-Pacific region. With the new turret sight system sensor, we can see threats from much further out than before, Tucker said. Obviously, that's a huge advance for our situational awareness, Marine Corps Maj Christopher Mayette, the Assistant Operations Officer for the squadron, piloted one of the new Vipers back from Joint Base Pearl Harbor Hickam. Having the displays under glass is a big change from the old steam gauges, Mayette noted on the new digital display systems. Another thing you notice is that in the electrical-optical sensor, there's a night and day difference. The updated electrical systems create a new situation for Marines like Sergeant Jeremy Ortega, an avionics technician with the squadron. The new Zulus incorporate systems from the AH-1W and the AH-1Y and essentially combine them, Ortega said. The upgraded turret sight systems create much more in-depth images, which allow pilots to pinpoint targets better and get more descriptive, accurate pictures. Marines like Ortega are essential to keep the squadron at the peak of readiness during the transition, Mayette said. Maintenance Marines have done an outstanding job of accepting the new aircraft, Mayette said. They have really done the majority of the heavy lifting on this project, and we definitely appreciate them, although there will be a learning curve working with the new system due to its modernity. Ortega said he is excited to work with the upgraded helicopters. Times are changing and things are evolving, Ortega said. It's time for the AH-1Ws to go to bed. And the AH-1Zs are the perfect candidate to replace them.